we'll be working on the hinge, hip hinge, and warming up to a Romanian deadlift. So, you know, express your abs, chin tucked in, and slowly kick your butt out like so. If you're struggling to have really stiff legs, you can bend your legs a little bit, neutral spine, and slowly calm down. You can also do those contraction techniques, hold, tense, and then breathe out. But still squeezing those glutes. Even if a little round the back, that's alright, just a slight round, not too much like that, just a slight round, it's okay too. Do like 5 to 10 second holds. And then exhale out, always breathing as you come down, breathe into it, and then breathe out, breathe in, and then breathe out. So as you get deeper, you're always mentally focusing on squeezing the glutes and hamstrings. If you want to improve the lengthening of the hamstrings, you can always use a dumbbell or kettlebell. Doing like that, front on. You can go for reps. Slowly come down like this. And in time, you can grab 2 weights either side and start going for reps. Like so. And then you can move onto the barbell and start lifting. I won't get into it straight away, but make sure you don't have your lower back might be a little bit activated. That's also okay. Just make sure engage the glutes and hamstrings always. So you always start off progressively from body weights to dumbbells and into barbells if you wish, and just test out. There's another variation with this exercise with a kettlebell. Put it behind your back. Same deal. This will help improve and also reduce the amount of lower back pain you got. Just make sure never work with lower back pain. You don't want to do this, you can also do this, it's just another variation. And the same technique, contraction and holds. So this will help improve the hip hinge, which is essential for any deadlifting movements. And anything you do in life when you pick up stuff. So we'll slowly move into the single leg stuff in the next video.